Hello everyone, welcome to Code Warriors. Guys, first of all, I would like to congratulate you all for joining us in this campaign of 21 days of machine learning. These 21 days will be full of learning. In the next 21 days, you all will learn many important things about machine learning, many different algorithms, and these 3 weeks will be full of learning to you all. So, guys, let's get started. First of all, I would like to start with what are the topics that I will cover in today's session. So first topic is what is ML. Then the important topic is types of ML. What are the different types of ML that are used in real world and application of ML. If we learn ML, then where we can use our learning or where ML is used in the real life. Then what is scikit-learn? Scikit-learn is the most important library which is used for machine learning, and so we need to know about scikit-learn in detail. And in this session I will give you basic introduction of scikit-learn and how we can install scikit-learn. So let's move forward. First of all, we will start with what is ML. Actually, it is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software application to learn from data and become more accurate in predicting outcomes without human intervention. What does this definition wants us to say, or what does this definition want to conclude? Actually, machine learning learns from data. We can make different software application and we can make them learn from the data, and then based on their learning we can make them predict different output. For example, if I make one machine learning model which will learn from the previous data of weather, then we can use that machine learning model to predict what will be the further outcome. For example, I trained my model on date till 1st September, then I can use that model to predict what will be the weather on 5th September. This is the basic meaning of machine learning. And machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, which is very important thing to note, guys, because everyone is very much confused between AI, ML and deep learning. So AI is the superset and machine learning and deep learning are the subsets of AI. So how we can make one machine learning model? What are the steps involved in it? So first of all, to start with machine learning model, we need data. Data is the center, core center in any machine learning project. So first of all, we need a huge data set. So we need training data. The training data is the data which we are using to train our machine learning model. And nowadays many we can easily get a huge amount of data from various sources. So guys, next, when we get our data, then we make our algorithm learn from that data. We don't need to explicitly program our algorithm that you have to learn this relation or you have to learn this relation. Our algorithm will automatically derive the features or derive the calculations, and then it will learn from himself or itself. We don't need to explicitly tell the algorithm that you have to learn this thing. After learning the algorithm will build one model. After we had trained our model, then we can build that model and we can try of performing, or we can test our model. Guys, what does testing means here? Testing is basically consisting of to test our model based on unseen data. The data we had used for training, we are not going to use that same data for testing. We will use some unseen data that model had not seen till now, and we will test our model how well it is performing. And the output that will get, the feedback we will get, based on that we will take further steps. Either we need to improve our algorithm, or we need to make this or we need to pass this model into production. So this is the basic what is machine learning and how we make a model. The basic steps involved in machine learning model is, first of all, we need training data, then we make our algorithm learn, and choosing the best algorithm is also important task. As you move further in 21 days of ML, you will learn about different algorithms and you will be aware that which algorithm we need to use where, which type of data fits this algorithm best. So till then, be patient and just follow our 21 days of ML. Then next topic is where ML is used, where we are using a machine learning. What are the applications of machine learning? So first application we are going to discuss is image recognition. What is the meaning of image recognition? For example, let's suppose I had given you two figures. One is consisting of horse and another figure is consisting of human. Then you can easily see and tell this is human, this is horse. But this is not a piece of cake for our computer or our PC. So we need to train our computer or our PC so that they can recognize which image they are seeing. For that we are using machine learning. Then moving further, self-driving cars. This is a huge advantage or huge revolution in the field of machine learning. Many different companies like Google, Tesla are testing on self-driving cars, and they are successfully conducting their test. And maybe in near future we can also see self-driving cars in India also. So next application is product recommendation. This is nothing new. You must have visit Flipkart or Amazon website where you can see that whenever we select one product, there are different recommendation that which product is related to this one and what other buyers are also buying with this product. This is a basic marketing trick where they are using machine learning. And then stock market prediction. Actually, stock market is the best outcome of machine learning. We can't predict stock market accurately because, as you know, it goes up and down in a fraction of second. But if you choose wisely, if you make a good machine learning model on stock market data, then you can have a good amount of money by predicting using those models. And at last, it is online fraud detection. You may have received many prank calls or fake calls from different companies. They demand your CVV number, ATM pin code. Please don't give anyone those personal details. They are all frauds. When no bank service demand for your CVV number or ATM pin number in call. So be aware of that. And what is the basic meaning of here online fraud detection in machine learning? That you can detect who means that our machine learning model can detect bank has those machine learning model, and they can detect that is there any fraud activity going on, then they can block those activities. So these are the some important application of machine learning which are going to be used in our day-to-day life. Then our next topic is types of machine learning. There are basically three types of machine learning, and fourth type is also there, but that is not most widely used. First type is supervised learning. What is the supervised learning approach? Supervised learning is a process where an algorithm learns from training data set. What is the meaning of here? That when we provide our data set, for example, we are training a model based on human and horse classifier. Then we pass 500 human images and 500 horse images, and we have a label for each image. Like this image of is of human, this image is of horse. So we pass label data in this type of algorithm. And in unsupervised algorithm, this is the same process like supervised, but the only difference is that we does not pass any label. We just pass two images. This is one image and this is another image, but we don't tell the algorithm that this is human and this is horse. The algorithm will automatically find the differential features, and it will make different classes. It will not provide any label like this is human or horse. It will just make two class 1 and class 2. Moving further, the next one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is used in robots or self-driving cars. Actually, it is a type of learning which learns by interacting with the environment. What does this mean? We don't provide any data set to such type of learning. It is a trial and error method type. For example, a robot is moving. If it encounters an obstacle, then it either it get hits with the obstacle or it moves back. So on this approach or on the step that this robot takes, there is system of reward and punishment. And if the robot takes a good step, then the reward is provided, or if the robot takes bad step or wrong step, then punishment is provided. And based on that, the robot or any model learns from reinforcement learning. So these are the three basic types of machine learning. Don't worry, students, we will be providing you different links of all these topics where you can explore these topics in the huge detail. And first of all, we will provide you the link of the blog where our mentors has written it in a very professional way, where you can go through our blog and you can have a very good knowledge of these topics. This video is a overview, like how what are the topics included, how you can learn this, and what are the basic knowledge we are providing you in this video. Then moving further, next topic is scikit-learn. I told you students earlier that scikit-learn is the main library that we want to implement using machine learning. Actually, for machine learning, we you prefer Python language. We can also use our language, but according to me or according to analytics, as we had seen, that Python is most preferable language, and it is very easy to use due to many library present in it. So why we are going to use scikit-learn? Let's see. First of all, it is an open source library, and it is also licensed under BSD. and it is also built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. These three are the most must library you need to know about machine learning. If you don't know about NumPy or Pandas, you can visit our online session we had posted on our YouTube channel, where we had covered in detail about NumPy and Pandas, and it has many tuning parameters. Earlier, students, what was happening that if we want to update our model, we need to write a huge amount of code. But this is not in the case as of now, because scikit-learn is providing us many parameters. Just we need to write the name of parameter and its value. This is so simple. There is no any rocket science behind it. You just need to understand the concepts, and you can easily write your machine learning code. And the last and most important thing is, in scikit-learn provide us a good documentation and as well as a support. If you have any query, you can go to support section, and for learning scikit-learn you can visit the documentation. And the last topic, guys, how can we install scikit-learn? If you are using Anaconda, then you can simply use conda install scikit-learn in Anaconda environment. And if you are using any other what we can say, any other tool like Visual Studio or anything else, then you can use pip install scikit-learn. So this was the step you can use to install scikit-learn. So as a summary, as we had discussed what is machine learning, what are the applications of machine learning, what are the types of machine learning, then we discuss what is scikit-learn, what are the steps to install scikit-learn. So I hope, students, you have got a good idea about what is machine learning and its overview. So you can make your hand dirty with these topics, and you can visit our description section of this video, where we had provided different links where you can refer all these topics. And don't forget to comment on the LinkedIn post. Actually, to complete this 21 days of ML, what you have to do, whatever you had learned in this particular day, you need to go into our LinkedIn page, and where you will see a post that is day one, and you have to comment what you had learned today. I am providing this in the LinkedIn page link in the description, as well as I will also try to provide day one post link by which we can go directly. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and share video with your peers so everyone can take advantage. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.